Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you an important problem on algebra and number theory for engineering students. Right? So I am going to solve this problem. So don't skip this video. Just listen this video. Okay? See here, I have taken one problem in algebra. So what is that? If R is a ring such that a square equal to a for all a belongs to R, prove that these three cases, right? So you have to prove a plus a equal to 0, then you have to prove if a plus b equal to 0 implies a equal to b, and the third case you have to prove ab equal to ba, right? So what the statement they given is, one ring they given and that ring satisfies that condition a square equal to a. Okay, then you have to prove these three cases, right? So step by step we are going to prove this problem. Okay, first I am going to prove the first one. You have to prove a plus a equal to 0, right? So proof of first one, you have to prove a plus a value equal to 0. So you have to take the left side. So left side is a plus a. See here, this a is belongs to R. So this R satisfying what condition? A square equal to a. So you can write any element a, you can write it as a square. If you are taking b, you can write b square. If you are taking c, you can write c square. Okay. So here I have taken, consider as this is on one element. So here I can take an a. So you can write a square. So how I can write a plus a square? Okay. Because this a belongs to R. So R satisfying this condition. Clear? So a plus a whole square. So this can be written as a plus a into a plus a. Right? Then multiply inside a into a plus a into a plus a into a plus a into a. Okay, so see here, this is nothing but a square, a square, a square, a square. So a square means you can replace a by this condition. So here you can apply a plus a plus a plus a. So left side also I am having a plus a. So this a come this side, it will change into minus a. This a come this side, it change into minus a. So a minus a will be cancel out. Therefore this 2a cancel out. So left side value only will be 0. Right? Therefore we prove a plus a value is 0. Right? So if we apply this condition for the first case, we can prove the first one easily. Right? Then go for the second case. See, the second case you have to prove is, if a plus b equal to 0, you have to show that a equal to b. Right? So you have to take the left side. This case you can take, you have to show that a equal to b. Right? So let it be. Now I can take the left side, a plus b equal to 0. Now I can take this case, this condition. Right. So here look at that 0. Now only we proved the first case. So first case is what? A plus a equal to 0. So 0 can be written as a plus a, right? So here instead of 0 you can replace, what is that? Instead of 0 you can replace a plus a. Left side as it is, a plus b. So cancel out 1a cancel, because this plus a come this side, change into minus a. So this a minus a will be cancel out. So see here, simply we got the second case proved. So this implies b equal to a or a equal to b. So second case is very easy to prove by using the first case. Clear? Then go for the third case. See the third case. The third case we have to prove is AB equal to BA, right? So this is also very simple, and this is also like by the first case. Okay, so before that I have to take now A plus B. So any element, this is A also belongs to R, B also belongs to R, or satisfying that what condition? A square equal to A. So consider as this is on one element, so this A equal to A square, right? So you can write it as A equal to A square. So simply I can write A plus B whole square. This is similar to the case 1. So go through it again, the case 1, okay? So A plus B whole square. So just expand it. A plus B into A plus B. Then multiply individually. So what is that? A into A plus AB plus BA plus BB. Right? So what is that? Left side also I am having A plus B. So this simply I can write it as A into A square, AB plus BA. This is B into B, we can write it as B square by the given condition, right? So this A squared is nothing but A, because A itself given, right? A squared, you can use A squared equal to A, and this is AB, this is BA, this is B squared can be written as B. So left side also I am having A plus B, right? Now look at that. What will be cancelled out? This is also A. When this comes this side, change into minus A. So this A minus A will be cancelled out. This B, when you bring on left side, it will plus B changed into minus B. So this B and minus B also cancel out. Therefore, this AB, this AB also cancel. So what you will get, left side will become 0. So 0 equal to AB plus BA. So see here, I am getting AB plus BA equal to 0. Then go for the second case. Second case statement is what? Whenever if A plus B equal to 0, you can write A equal to B. Right? This is the second case. Just now we proved. So by using the second case, A plus B equal to 0 means this A equal to B. Right? Same thing here I am having. AB plus BA equal to 0 means what is that? AB equal to BA. So by using the second case, we just proved the third case, right? So that's it, this problem. I hope you can able to understand this problem by seeing this video, and kindly go through it again. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe and click on the notification button, then only you can catch my videos very quickly, right? Thank you guys. Bye bye.